everybody. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. My name is Yannick and this is the Yannick Show. So based on that title, y'all know what's going on. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. Yeah, so next time I'll get like the shrimp that's in the bag and do it like that. Next time I got y'all for real. But this is just like the quick, easy way. So we're doing the stovetop version. So gonna have it says medium high heat. We gonna put it on high heat. Nah, we not. But I'm gonna put it on. I got it between I got it on 7, like between 6 and 8. So we're gonna get that on. Actually, no. I'm gonna put it on medium high, like they said, since technically the pasta didn't start yet. So I got it between 4 and 6. I'm gonna add butter. I know it say don't to add butter, but I'm gonna add butter, y'all. My baby. Hi, baby. You okay? If y'all see me talking into this thing, I'm just talking to my baby. Okay, so this is how they look. It looks like it's about 10, maybe 15 shrimp in here. So that's about 30 from both. So I'm gonna go ahead and get butter, put it on there. This the butter, Land O'Lakes butter, salted. I don't like unsalted butter. Yeah, I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon. It's like really the size. Okay, that water's starting to boil for that. For the linguine pasta. Alright, that butter melting. We're gonna cut open the bags and pop them in there. So, you okay, baby? What you talking about? It says to saute them for 7 to 8 minutes. I feel like I should have used a bigger pan, but let's see how this works. Okay, so we're gonna stir it halfway through. So I'm gonna get a top and cover this up. Okay, so that's gonna do its thing. We're gonna throw this in the garbage. I read the instructions. Get ready to add the pasta. I'm gonna add salt too. I hope y'all day going good. I really just put some salt in my hand. I put like literally a little 2 pinches. So this salt was really for the pasta. My little baby. I love this thing, y'all. I literally love this thing. I love that I can see him. Linguine is the flat looking pasta. Okay. So then we're gonna let this boil for 10 minutes. We're gonna do 11 minutes. Right now I'm just pushing it into the water so that way they can cook the way that they need to cook. Alright, I'll be right back, y'all. I just gotta go check on my baby. Alright, y'all. So, stirring the pasta. I'm gonna bring the seasonings over here. And I'm gonna get the Scampi sauce out of the fridge. So the Scampi sauce, y'all, I don't know if you can see all the seasoning up at the top and the oil at the bottom. So I'm gonna shake it real good before I pour it. Smells really, really good. Some shrimp is still stuck together, so I'm just trying to get them unstuck. I'm actually about to dump some of the liquid up out of here because a lot of it is just melted ice because it was in the freezer. My day been good so far, y'all. It's been chill. It's actually really late right now. It's like 10 o'clock. I really started cooking late because we woke up from a nap. We took like a late nap, so. And then I don't even know how long my baby's gonna be. Hopefully, I think he will go. I think he will go back to sleep. I think he will. You okay, baby? Mommy in the kitchen cooking. Oh, my pasta. See? I'm glad I'm reminding myself of my pasta because I want to make sure I'm stirring it occasionally. Okay, it's starting to soften up, so that's good. Alright, I'm about to dump some of the sauce that's in this pot with the shrimp. That's a lot. And I didn't drop no shrimp out. And that's what I was worried about. I was worried about if I was going to drop some shrimp. Okay, so now I'm going to add the seasoning. My bad, I'm always cussing. So I'm going to add some Old Bay, some lemon pepper, some black pepper, and then we're going to add the Scampi sauce. I'm not gonna add a lot, y'all. I'm literally gonna do like okay. I don't know how much that was. That looked like maybe I forgot I got these little things. Okay, that it did look like I did 1 tablespoon. Let's do one more. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't even show y'all. I got these little measuring little spoons. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon. 1 more tablespoon, I should say. Okay, I'm gonna put that in this meat. Alright, now I'm gonna mix this up. And I'm gonna turn it down to 4 so I can add the pasta in there. And I'm gonna taste it and I wanna see if I need to add any more of these seasonings before I put them away. So, shrimp scampi. Maybe like whenever I do use real shrimp next time, I'll make some shrimp Alfredo. So shrimp pasta, this shrimp scampi and shrimp Alfredo, this was like the first 2 dishes that the Besides big chicken, these are the first two like food dishes that my mama taught me how to cook. Okay, yeah, these noodles look good. They feel good too. Okay. And I really should have started cooking earlier, y'all, but I wanted to wait till later, and I didn't think I was gonna cook this late. It's all right though. This is all right. So the timer's counting down from 1 minute for the pasta. So I'm gonna drain this, and this is quick and easy, y'all. Just quick and easy. This probably took me like 30 minutes, maybe less. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more lemon pepper Old Bay and just a little slap your mama. Okay. While that's simmering, I'm going to wash these dishes real fast. Strap. Alright, let's see what it's hitting for. Mm. Mm. This is good. I really good. This is really good. Mm. Mm. I give it a 10. Dang, I ain't even close the fridge all the way. Yeah, y'all. Mm. That was really, really good, y'all, for real. Y'all, am I the only one who really likes the feeling of like drinking your beverage after finishing your whole meal? Anyway, y'all, next one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me making some shrimp scampi pasta. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all next Saturday. Bye.